You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put in the new blade, slide it into its housing. Put the blade onto the windscreen.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. Incline the blade to 45 degrees. To remove the wiper, pull it towards you to release it from the mounting bar, then remove the wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.